Hello guys, welcome back to another Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you how to fix RedNote app black screen problem. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're having problems with RedNote here and you're just getting that black screen, well, there is going, or in this case, there are going to be a few things that you could try. So first things first that you could try here is you might want to restart the actual app. So what I mean is you want to make sure that this is closed. So you want to go and open up your task manager here. Make sure to swipe to the right side here or whatever way to close that specific app. And from then on, you can go and open up RedNote here and see if that solves the issue. Now, if you're still getting that black screen on the RedNote app, what the next thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up Google Play Store here. And you want to make sure that you look for a RedNote. So if you do see any update on it, you want to make sure to update or install that update. Now, in this case, go ahead and update that, and once the update is complete, you can go ahead and see if that solves the issue. Now, if that doesn't solve your issue, the next thing that you want to do here is you want to restart your actual phone. Now, sometimes your phone might be the actual problem, so sometimes restarting it, in this case, can solve a lot of issues. But just in case that doesn't work, the next thing that you want to do here is you want to clear your cache. Now, I want to look for the RedNote app here, press and hold on it, click on the eye icon, and from here, you want to go and click on clear data at the bottom right. Now click on clear cache, click on OK, and once you've done that, go ahead and open up RedNote and see if that solves the issue. In this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to end of the inspo. Thank you for watching.